Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone screen to your PC using the ApowerMirror desktop application. This method is simple, fast, and works perfectly for presentations, gaming, streaming, or even recording your iPhone screen on your computer. Let's get started. Go to your browser and search for ApowerMirror download, or visit the official ApowerMirror website. Download the desktop version for Windows or Mac, depending on your computer. There are also available versions for Android and iOS, in case you want to use it on mobile devices. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen installation steps. The installation process only takes a short time. After installation, launch the ApowerMirror desktop app. There are two main ways: Wi-Fi connection and USB connection. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the USB connection method, which is the most stable way to mirror your iPhone without any lag. First, I connected my iPhone to the computer using a USB Lightning cable. As soon as I plug it in, a message appears on my iPhone asking if I want to trust this computer. I tap Trust and enter my passcode to confirm. Now I open the ApowerMirror desktop app on my PC. You'll notice that it automatically detects my iPhone. On the ApowerMirror interface, I simply click on my device name, and within a few seconds, my iPhone screen appears on the computer. The great thing about this method is that the USB connection provides a very smooth and stable mirroring experience. There's no delay, no lag, and it's perfect if you want to play games, record your iPhone screen, or give a presentation directly from your device. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored your iPhone to your PC using ApowerMirror. Whether you're gaming, teaching, or streaming, this app makes it super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.